What I wish I knew about the Burj Khalifa before visiting, it's not just a building, it's an engineering miracle. Here's how it rose from the desert sky. Let's rewind to 2004. In the heart of Dubai, a massive hole marks the start. Step 1. Pour 45,000 cubic meters of concrete, enough to fill 18 Olympic pools just for the foundation. Then, the core climbs up. Engineers use a special slipform technique to build the central spine, floor by floor, week after week. Over 12,000 workers from around the globe hustle day and night. They fit 31,400 metric tons of steel rebar together. That rebar would stretch a quarter of the way around the planet. Next up, the sky-high floors. Each level gets stacked, gleaming glass, sleek aluminum panels, over 26,000 panels made to withstand desert winds and heat. Cranes perched nearly half a kilometer above ground swing materials higher. The Burj Khalifa pierces the clouds. Inside, the world's fastest elevators. They zoom people up at 10 meters per second. The building's Y-shaped design isn't just for looks. It keeps the tower steady in wild wind and gives everyone a killer view after 6 years of relentless work. Burj Khalifa opens in 2010, soaring 828 meters high. It's more than a record breaker. It's a symbol of vision and teamwork. Even the impossible is possible. So next time you see a photo of the Burj Khalifa, remember it's not just a building, it's a story of ambition, sweat, sky-high dreams.